Hey guys, so you're probably interested in Legendary Marketer and their $7 15-day business builder challenge, which has been flooding social media at the moment and getting a lot of attention and hype. And you're probably wondering, is this the real deal? You're probably looking at reviews trying to figure out whether or not it's actually legit or if it's a scam, and whether or not you should actually spend your hard-earned money on actually doing this course and if it gets you a result. And I get it, with so many mixed reviews out there about this course and about this challenge, it can be pretty hard to kind of make the final decision. So that's what I'm here with for you today, to actually shed some light on Legendary Marketer and the $7 15-day business builder challenge, and hopefully help you make a final decision for yourself as to whether or not you want to take it, or if you actually improve your skills and get the results you're actually going after. So don't worry, I'm actually here to help. I'm actually gonna go give you a bit of a sneak peek behind the curtains, actually show you a bit of the course itself and what it's actually got to offer, so you can actually help make your decision a bit more easier as to whether or not you actually want to take it or not. And I'll also give you my personal experience with the course itself. So sit back, relax, and I'll take you through the entire show. So the course was created by the founder, Dave Sharp, who is a legendary marketer in the online space itself, as he's actually made hundreds of millions of dollars promoting products from other companies and for himself. So Dave created this course as a way to help teach people the nuts and bolts of online marketing and sales, leveraging the use of affiliate marketing. It goes through and teaches the actual fundamentals of marketing online so that you can actually get more sales as an affiliate, or if you have your own online business, how to actually attract more attention, more leads, so you actually develop more sales over time and generate more income for yourself or more revenue. And being able to market online in this day and age is a very, very valuable skill. So that's why it's a great course to actually take, to actually learn the actual skills of doing this online. And Dave's credentials are extensive. He's been featured in very many prestigious publications such as Forbes and Inc. magazine. And as I said before, as a marketer, he's actually earned hundreds of millions of dollars. So he's actually very good at what he does, and he's created this course to teach you his process and his fundamentals in a very simple to learn method, so you can actually gain results for yourself. So one of the reasons why he created this course was to actually help people expand their incomes through online earning methods, so they can actually start increasing their income and actually have a bit more financial freedom for themselves in their lives, so they can actually enjoy it to a much more fuller extent, or pursue things which are more valuable to them. He's a very genuine individual, and what he teaches, he delivers it in a very easy to understand way, so that a lot of people can actually understand it, implement these strategies and information, and actually, like I said, go further themselves with actually earning money online. So one of the primary methods of Dave's teachings is through the 15-day business builder challenge, which goes through the basics of how to set up a freelance digital marketing or affiliate marketing business. Even though it's not as in-depth and information intense as some of his other products, such as the business blueprint, the information given in this 15-day business builder challenge is delivered in such a way that anybody can kind of learn it very easily and actually implement it straight away, so they actually start getting results for themselves. And the information given is at a level above what is given through YouTube, through all the free training methods which people create YouTube videos for. So it goes into a lot more detail than what you actually get on YouTube, which is one of the reasons why spending a little bit of money on courses and information is a great way to actually learn, so you can actually get the best kind of information out there. In particular, this course teaches how to deal with high ticket sales, which means you'll be earning commissions on products which are from hundreds to thousands of dollars. And if you're new to the space, this is actually a great way to learn and a great way to actually earn some money for yourself. And one of the great things about doing this course is it's a great way to save yourself time and frustration trying to go through all the information out there online, through all the free methods, through blogs, YouTube, whatever, then having to kind of put it all together and make sense of it all. And it gives you like the full-blown framework and kind of like an instruction manual of what steps to actually take and follow to be able to kind of get yourself from complete beginner to actually a full understanding of how the entire process works and how to structure it and how to actually set it up for yourself, so you can actually start implementing it straight away and getting to where you need to be. So the Business Builder Challenge is a great entry into learning affiliate marketing, sales, and marketing itself, which are very highly valuable skills that you need to actually make money online. Because if you are actually wanting to make money online and in a significant way, you do need to develop some skills, and marketing and sales are essential to be able to actually do that for yourself. And you hear it all the time. A lot of successful self-made millionaires got their start in sales and marketing themselves. So what's been my experience in the affiliate marketing world? Well, I actually started down the free path myself as well. So I actually tried to learn it all on YouTube by myself, looking through hours and hours and hours of YouTube videos, literally upon weeks on weeks, trying to kind of put all the information together. Now I had the majority of the information, but I just didn't feel quite confident putting it all together to make the entire process work. Now some of you might be able to do this, but it's not the easiest way to actually kind of go about it. And that's one of the best things about doing small courses and things like that, or trainings and getting mentors, is that they can actually show you the entire process from start to finish, and you know that it actually works because they've done it for themselves over and over and over again, and they actually do make money with it. So getting a mentor, getting coaching, or getting some training is one of the more effective and efficient ways of actually learning this new skill and actually implementing it to actually get the full results out of it. So for me, myself, once I actually did take this 15-day business builder challenge, it actually filled in a lot of the gaps of information that I had and gave me the confidence to actually move forward and actually start making sales. So it's a little bit like going to IKEA and buying some flat pack furniture and bringing it home and not having any instructions to put it all together. Now you might be able to kind of get it together, but you won't be very confident with how you actually put it together and if it's actually structurally sound. That's how I felt with trying to learn affiliate marketing and sales and marketing online for free. Then doing the course or doing the 15-day business builder challenge was like actually having the instruction manual to actually put it together completely. It actually gave me the framework and actually the steps to actually take to actually implement everything I needed to be able to actually move forward and actually make some money online confidently. So the course itself actually leans on the business model of teaching affiliate marketing itself, or more heavily on that aspect, because that's a great way for people to actually get started in making money online, because they don't need to kind of source products, deal with customers, all that kind of stuff. They just need to find a product they want to try and promote, and then they can actually promote it for themselves through the methods on social media and things like that. And also teaches you how to set this up successfully as a business. So the course itself teaches like the most important aspects of getting started in the affiliate marketing world or online sales world, about how to try and find high quality products or services, how to actually generate traffic, how to funnel that traffic into a sales funnel, and how to convert it into sales over time. And actually understanding and putting all these pieces together is what's necessary to be able to actually start converting traffic to sales, actually starting to earn some money online, no matter which business you're actually in. So let's actually jump over to my laptop now quickly and actually go through and actually show you a bit of behind the curtains of actually what's involved or what's actually associated with the actual business builder challenge itself. So this is the 15-day business builder challenge. So it's the first thing that you're going to come to when you join Legendary Marketer and their team. And as you can see, each step of the actual process is actually broken down in 15 days. And they all have a video which corresponds to each day, which runs anywhere from about 15 minutes to like an hour, maybe I think 2 hours is the longest video, and actually kind of breaks down each of the individual components of the actual funnel and setup and marketing and sales and things to actually make affiliate marketing and actually sales and marketing process work. As well as that, each day has its own kind of quiz and bit of assignment, so you've got to kind of go through and actually implement things as you go ahead. So it's not actually just kind of watching videos. You got to kind of take each step day by day and actually kind of complete certain things involved in each day. And you don't unlock the next day until you've actually finished the task that they've set out for you. So during this actual 15-day challenge, there is a bit of a marketing ploy for the actual upsells for the business blueprints models, which you can actually see products here. Business blueprints, you got the live training, affiliate marketing, digital courses, events, masterminds, coaching and consulting. And I'll quickly just jump into the affiliate marketing one. And you can see here how extensive the actual blueprints are. It's actually a lot of information, a lot of valuable kind of information to actually kind of learn and actually integrate into the models and stuff like that. So it kind of goes into what you actually learn in the challenge a lot more extensively and gives you a lot more information about actually how to go about things and how to implement all these steps and procedures and processes to actually make this actually function more effectively. One more thing about the business blueprints is that it actually gives you or teaches you another skill, which is a very, very high income skill, which a lot of people kind of need to learn to actually be able to kind of get better at sales and marketing, and that's copywriting. So even if you just take the course for you get the upsell for the copywriting course, there's an insane amount of value just in that alone. And another thing as well is actually once you actually purchase that business blueprints, you actually get invited to their Facebook groups where you actually kind of discuss ideas and talk to other marketers and actually other people who are successful with this program as well. So you actually see what they do to implement, what they implement as well, so they can actually make more money, so you can actually kind of be more successful and more effective as a marketer yourself and learn to upskill and get to like the next stages or next milestones in your affiliate marketing career or your sales and marketing career as well. So now I'm sure you're probably wondering what my actual verdict is on the actual 15-day business builder challenge and Legendary Marketer and their other products, and would I actually recommend people signing up to actually take it. So personally, I actually believe in integrity and honesty. And I wouldn't suggest products or promotions that I don't actually believe in myself or actually haven't taken. And like I said, I actually have done this course. And if you haven't already kind of figured it out, I am actually an advocate for this course. I actually do really thoroughly enjoy it. As soon as I took it, I actually felt that I found a lot of value in it. It actually opened up a lot more kind of understanding of how all the mechanics of everything actually worked, and actually gave me the full formula and blueprint of actually how to actually go step by step and actually move forward through the process of actually setting up my entire affiliate marketing business and how to be successful with it as well. So it is a great place to start, especially if you're a beginner and you're trying to actually figure out how it actually all works and actually give yourself a bit more confidence. And it definitely is worth the $7 that you actually pay for it. And even if you don't get the upgraded bundles, for which are like $2,500, which do have a lot of value in themselves, the 15-day business builder challenge does teach you the full fundamentals of actually how to actually set it up in the initial stages. So it is a great way to actually get started, especially if you're unsure of something you actually want to do as an affiliate, but learning the fundamentals of how to structure an actual funnel and all the information properly, great place to start. During the course itself, there is like a slight push for those upgraded bundles. And like I said, there's an insane amount of value in that actual package as well. So if it is something you actually want to get involved in and you do learn the skills of copywriting through that kind of blueprints package, it is a great place to actually kind of get started and actually start learning all the fundamentals of that as well, and actually gives you a bit more in-depth detail about how all the processes work. But if you're still unsure of the course and actually what the results you actually get as a result of taking the course, they do offer a money-back guarantee. And this is because Dave stands by what he actually teaches and practices what he preaches. And if you actually do the 15-day business builder challenge, you actually do qualify to become an affiliate for the program itself, which is a great product to actually start promoting, especially if you are new in the affiliate marketing space and you are looking for a product or unsure of products or which products to actually promote, and you want to make sure you are only promoting high quality products. This is a great place for you to start. So in conclusion, I actually do think it's a great place for the beginner to actually start. They actually get all the information that they need, all the fundamental information they need to actually kind of set up a affiliate marketing business, like all the sales funnels and things like that. And it saves you precious time from having to go through all the videos on YouTube, trying to figure out all the moving parts and actually how to implement it as well. This lays it all out, shows you how to actually go set up a funnel, buy domain, set up email automation, how to actually drive traffic, how to actually find your niche, how to actually find your audience, and how to actually start creating traffic to that audience to actually drive sales over time. So it's a perfect spot if you actually are a beginner. Even if you don't actually have full technical understanding of how to actually try to do it all itself, they will show you and they actually give the training on actually how to do this and actually how to set it all up. So like I said, it's the perfect place to start if you are a beginner, or if you actually want that extra bit of information to actually get yourself on the way. As I said, it's a bit like having the instructions for an IKEA flat pack piece of furniture, and actually gives you the confidence to actually put it all together certainly so you can actually enjoy what you're actually doing. So if you actually want to join the 15-day business builder challenge, there is a link down below. You actually just sign up. You also get my free ebook of how to go from $0 to $100,000. And I hope this video has been very valuable and informative for you. So don't forget guys, smash that follow button, give me a like, and I'll catch you guys again in the next video. Cheers.